Are you ready for a sneak peek into Apple's next big innovation? The iPhone 16 is on the horizon, and it's shaping up to be nothing short of spectacular. From jaw-dropping designs to game-changing features, this upcoming release is already making waves. So grab a seat because we're about to dive into everything you need to know about the iPhone 16. Apple's iPhone 16 is one of the most eagerly anticipated tech releases of the year. While the official launch date remains under wraps, we're all but certain that Apple will unveil this masterpiece in September. Until then, let's explore the juicy details and intriguing rumors that are fueling the excitement. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. For business inquiries, contact us today for expert content creation and advertising your brand or products on our TikTok and YouTube channels. Don't hesitate to email us. Let's kick things off with one of the most exciting design changes, the bezels. If you're wondering why this matters, think of it this way. Bezels are the borders around your screen, and the thinner they are, the more immersive your display becomes. According to renowned tipster Ice Universe, the iPhone 16 Pro Max will boast bezels as thin as 1.15 millimeter. To put that in perspective, the iPhone 15 Pro Max has bezels that measure 1.55 millimeter. This seemingly small reduction could have a massive impact, making your screen appear even more expansive and your overall experience even more immersive. But wait, there's more. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are rumored to feature significantly larger screens, up to 6.9 inches for the Pro Max and 6.3 inches for the Pro model. This increase in screen size is likely due to the reduction in bezel thickness. Imagine watching movies, playing games, or browsing the web on these enormous displays. Everything will look bigger, clearer, and more vibrant. Ice Universe has also shared an image of what's believed to be the tempered glass for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This leak reveals even more about the phone's design and confirms that ultra-thin bezels are a key feature. Apple seems to be focusing heavily on aesthetics and user experience, which could mean that this phone will not only look amazing but also feel incredible to use. Here's a fascinating tidbit. It appears that some iPhone 16 models might be manufactured in India for the first time. This move could be a strategic decision by Apple to reduce its reliance on Chinese manufacturing and streamline shipping times for various regions. It's all part of Apple's ongoing efforts to enhance production efficiency and bring you the best possible product. The iPhone 16 is gearing up to be a real game changer, combining stunning design with innovative features. As we inch closer to the official launch, the excitement continues to build. Will these leaks turn out to be accurate? We'll have to wait until September to find out. But one thing's for sure, the iPhone 16 is set to make a big splash. What are your thoughts on the iPhone 16? Are you excited about the new design and features? Drop a comment below to share your opinions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates and tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.